It is Saturday and it's fight night. Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. It's another fight night Saturday. Big fights tonight for the new vacant lightweight belt. Khabib's gone. Now we got Michael Chandler, Charles Oliveira duking it out for the belt.
Man, this is gonna be a hype one.
Yeah.
So we got some eats for today, yeah?
Yeah. Tell them what we're making today.
Alright, so the classic, the iconic Pirogie.
Iconic, baby.
Bro, so yeah, we're just gonna do the classic, you know, but with a little bit of a twist. So we're gonna throw just like some nice russet potatoes, some caramelized onions, some bacon, some chive, some sour cream. But you know, do it for a little bit of our twist.
Like we always do.
Alright, let's jump into it.
Let's get it.
The recipe's in the description.
Always. So the first thing we're gonna do for our pierogies is get our filling started. I got one large russet potato. I've peeled it, diced it, put it in cold water, added a pinch of salt. We're gonna bring it over to the stove and let it boil until it becomes fork tender and we're ready to mash it. You wanna start your potatoes in cold water so they cook evenly. Now we're gonna make the pierogi dough. I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, I got half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of bacon fat, I got half a tablespoon of Schmaltz, which is chicken fat. We're just gonna bring this over the stove, let it melt down. We don't want it to actually come to a boil, we just want it to melt so this solid fat becomes liquid. If you don't have bacon fat or schmaltz, feel free to use just butter. So our fat has melted, as you can see it's floating along the top of the water. I'm gonna add it into our flour. Just begin to stir it with a wooden spoon. Just until a shaggy dough forms. Our dough's beginning to come together. I'm gonna take it out of the bowl and start kneading it on our work surface. Just so it becomes smooth and supple, like my butt. I've kneaded this dough for about 5 or 6 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it in plastic wrap and rest it for half an hour.
Alright, it's filling time. We got our little potato ricer here. We're gonna feed our potatoes through here and get them nice and silky smooth. I feel like I'm playing with Play-Doh again. Alright, for our pierogi mix, we had 3 tablespoons of sour cream. You know what? What do I make it for? Boom. Got some old cheddar cheese here. Probably say about 2 ounces. Got a couple little knobs of butter. About 15 to 20 grams. We've got some sliced chives here. Got some nice reduced bacon. Boom. Pickled jalapenos, about 1 tablespoon. Got caramelized onions and roasted shallots, about 3 tablespoons. About 1/4 of a tablespoon of garlic powder. Lemon zest to taste. Just a little bit. And blend it all together. Cracked pepper. Just a pinch of salt. Taste tester seasoning. Delicious. That's our pierogi filling.
Our dough has rested for half an hour. It's nice and soft. The gluten has relaxed, so it's gonna roll out nice and stretchy. I'm gonna cut the dough into quarters. Take 1/4 out, wrap the rest, put a little all-purpose flour on it, and I got a pasta sheeter here. I'm gonna run this dough through our pasta sheeter till we get to the 3rd setting. Our dough has been rolled out to the 3rd setting. I'm just gonna set it aside and roll the rest of the dough. Our dough is all rolled out. It's time to make some pierogies.
So we have our little ring cutter here. If you don't have this, feel free to use a cup or another circular object. We can cut our dough into little rings for our pierogies. A little bit of pressure, take her out. There we go, a cute little circle. All right, let's line up all our pierogies here. Okay, so I'm just gonna dabble 2 of my fingers in this water here. Caress the outside of the exterior and just kind of move around from the outside in to form the pierogi. Alright, we're gonna blanch our pierogies here just to get our dough to set for about 2 minutes, just until they start to float up there.
Our pierogies are out of the water. Got a pan with butter and olive oil. Time to give them a little sear.
Okay, I figured it out. Sour cream, little swoosh. Follow this guy with a little bit of chives. Pierogies. We're gonna garnish with a little bit of crispy shallots. We're gonna follow up with a little bit of micro radish here. Just for a little pop of color, pop of beauty. Honestly, we just have them in the fridge, so.
Time to eat these pierogies.
Man, I've been waiting. These things look wild.
I've just been drinking wine, so I'm excited to.
I can't wait to watch this fight, bro. Oh, wow.
They're crispy and fluffy. Potato's delicious.
Oh my
The
god.
dough is so nice.
A little bit of lemon actually just kind of like
Brightens it up. These are delicious. Say hi, Gus.
good.
Say hi, Chester.
Weezy's over there.
Wheezy's
Oh,
over
he's
there.
coming.
All right.
Let's have a good fight tonight.
Enjoy these fights, everyone, for sure.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, eh?
So good.
Give us a like, hit that subscribe button. Hey, chill with that. Alright? Peace.
See you next Saturday.